She doesn't show you how to make it, but she got the recipe on the screen, and it is pretty. She follows me. Woo-hoo-hoo. And there's a girl's night. Ooh, I'm like a little girl. Ooh. Let's make this. Need some ice in this bad boy. And we can mix both layers at the same time. So this one is Midori. She used a ton of Midori, and that's where she got that beautiful color from. Now she hit us with a little bit of simple syrup, okay? So yes, her layer is sweet. Now I come in behind her just with a little pineapple juice. Just like my little addition to her little mix. That shouldn't change the color too much, add a little flavor. Now this one, the white one, is just coconut rum. And my boy here, cream of coconut. This is sweet layer too. This is a sweet drink. But it's girls' night. I want to add a little bit more potency to this layer. You know what I mean? Like, let's get some vodka in there, you know? Oh boy. That's right, toasted coconut. Corn syrup. Because this can help this to stick to my glass. Don't put on too much, guys. Just a nice light layer. Should I toast that a little bit with flame? Oh yeah, toasty. Okay guys, now I can get a little corn syrup on my rim. That's one. Oh yeah. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. Ooh, look at the colors on that. Ooh. Can I get an invite to y'all girls' night out, please, next time? Especially if it's in LA. If it's in LA, I'm coming. Look at the color on that, homeboy. Get over here to this one. Yes, sir. We put aside our green and we grab our white. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Now you finish off with our green, you see? These ladies knew what time it was. They knew what they were making. They were changing the world. Put a little pineapple on the side there, a little pineapple on the side here. But guess what? We're not done, because what we have here is these pineapple popsicles. And get one in there like so. Coming with another little popsicle right here. Bang! And there you have it, a slice of heaven by my girl, Eliza. Girls' night out. You better invite me next time, okay? Don't we have no girls' night without confirming me first, okay? I don't appreciate that, okay? Y'all girls doing too much. Delicioso, okay? And fun, and it matches my outfit. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. You ever suck the shit out of a popsicle? Never mind.